Hello my friends, my name is Sven, this is Siguro the World of Miniatures, and today with a cool unboxing from Fantasy Welt DE. It's a cool shop, cool guys, they sent me, I hope, awesome miniature from I believe from the email it was Conquest, and it's a new brand of miniatures. I think it's like the miniatures from Conquest are very famous right now. The whole system, the whole play system. Whether it's possible that they will beat up Games Workshop, I don't think so. But maybe they will find a good place for a new tabletop system. A famous one. Okay. Paper. And the first one. This is a cool tempered sorcerer from Conquest. It's a dwarf, I think. We will open it up and look inside this cool case. It's a different kind of packing. If you remember the other miniature companies, they pack the miniature differently. Alright. Oh, there's a card inside. A cool card with a possibility to have a web page on it or something. Maybe the stats of the miniature, I don't know. But we will see. And inside here, this is the miniature. As you can see, you have to build up a lot of things. We will do this after unboxing. Under the Canon camera. And probably I will place the box behind the miniature after building. And if we paint all or give away a lot of things, we will see after this unboxing. Oh. What we have here, also from Conquest, a Theist priest. Theist? Help me out. From the 100 Kingdoms, it's a humanoid. I think it's a little bit humanoid, or is it undead? We will see. We will see. Also, the cool box. And we see a little bit less model items. I think the miniatures are made out of resin. And this one looks a little bit similar to a Warhammer miniature I have. From the Empire in 40k, looking like a knight. Have only a sword and shield. Information is gone. The quality of the whole packaging is brilliant. So let us see after this unboxing the quality of the models. Alright, a shaman from the Nords. I remember this faction. The artwork is cool, I think. It's a very, very cool artwork. So, there's even more. And this is from the faction the Spires, a mimetic assassin. It's all possible to buy by Fantasy Welt DE. They ship also outside of Germany. This is possible. I know everyone have its own miniature shop, or maybe a shop where you can buy by yourself. But right now, for Corona times, it's not possible to move. So I will put a link from the website underneath this video in the description. Maybe you can click on the link and see how cool this website and the shop is. It's located in Hamburg, so like a little bit, if you look to the location, they're not far away from me. Maybe in the future, if it's possible to see us all, maybe I can meet them. But right now, I'm stuck at home. Okay. Look at this one. This looks cool. Oh, it's looking very, very gross. I like this. Also like Chaos and Skaven. I like these things. And this one here have mouths on the head. It's cool. But it's not as big as the other ones. It's a little bit smaller. But we will see right now how everything looks in a close-up. So here we are. These are the 4 miniature next to each other. I decided that I will paint 2 of them, and the other 2 miniatures will be sent out as a giveaway. How this will work, I can tell you right now. You can first I will paint this one and this one. These both belongs to me right now. And I will cover these painting steps with a video. Maybe one video for both miniatures, we will see. But these 2 guys here, these 2 guys will be sent out in a giveaway. Write down in the comments which miniature of these 2 miniatures is yours or you want. This miniature is a Theist priest, and this one is the mimetic assassin. Okay, so you know what you have to do right now. You can write me a message via YouTube in the comments or on Discord, and I will choose a lot of people first for put them all together, and then I will put a little program over the whole persons that maybe are interested in the miniatures, and the system will decide which people will get these both. I only have 2, these both. Just let me know. Goodbye. We will see us next time for the painting video. Bye.